2025 Bajaj 12-seater electric auto rickshaw, the future of urban transport. The auto rickshaw industry is undergoing a major transformation with the introduction of electric vehicles, and Bajaj has once again stepped up with its latest innovation, the 2025 Bajaj 12-seater electric auto rickshaw four-wheeler. This new model is designed to revolutionize urban and semi-urban transportation by offering zero-emission, high-capacity, and cost-effective mobility solutions. Design and build, a modern take on public transport. Bajaj has always been known for its rugged and reliable auto rickshaws, and the 12-seater electric model is no exception. Unlike traditional three-wheelers, this model comes with four wheels for better stability and enhanced safety. The body is aerodynamically designed with a sleek yet sturdy frame to ensure durability on rough roads. With spacious seating for up to 12 passengers, this electric rickshaw caters to the growing demand for shared mobility in cities and towns. The wide entry and exit points make it convenient for passengers, while the high ground clearance ensures a smooth ride even on uneven terrains. Electric powertrain and performance. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 Bajaj 12-seater electric rickshaw is its powerful electric motor and long-lasting battery. Equipped with an advanced lithium-ion battery pack, the vehicle offers an impressive range of 150 to 200 km per charge. This makes it perfect for daily commercial operations without frequent recharging. Charging is also quick and hassle-free, thanks to fast charging technology, which allows the battery to reach 80% charge in just 1.5 hours. The motor delivers high torque, ensuring smooth acceleration even when fully loaded. Additionally, the regenerative braking system improves efficiency and extends battery life. Comfort and features. Bajaj has prioritized passenger comfort with this model. The seats are ergonomically designed with sufficient legroom, making long rides comfortable. The large windows and ventilation system provide ample airflow, making the journey pleasant even in hot climates. For the driver, the digital dashboard provides real-time information on speed, battery status, and distance covered. Additional features like GPS tracking, mobile charging ports, and Bluetooth connectivity make it a smart and modern vehicle for public transport. Cost and maintenance. One of the biggest advantages of this electric rickshaw is its low operational cost. Since it runs on electricity, fuel expenses are completely eliminated, and the maintenance cost is significantly lower compared to traditional petrol or diesel rickshaws. With fewer moving parts, wear and tear are minimal, leading to longer vehicle life and reduced repair costs. Government incentives and subsidies on electric vehicles further reduce the initial purchase cost, making it an affordable investment for fleet operators and drivers. Environmental impact and future of urban mobility. The Bajaj 12-seater electric auto rickshaw is a step toward a greener future. With zero tailpipe emissions, it helps reduce urban pollution and contributes to a cleaner environment. As cities move towards sustainable public transport, this model is expected to play a crucial role in reducing congestion and improving air quality. With increasing demand for eco-friendly and economical transport solutions, Bajaj's latest electric auto rickshaw is set to dominate the market and reshape the way people commute in 2025 and beyond. Would you consider this as the future of shared mobility? Let us know in the comments. This article is perfect for a YouTube video script on your channel Car Crest. You can add visuals of the rickshaw, animations explaining the battery and motor, and interviews with drivers or industry experts for better engagement. Let me know if you need a more tailored version.